National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Charles County in southern Maryland until 7:30 p.m. At 6:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Quantico, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Waldorf, La Plata, Port Tobacco River, St. Charles, Bryan's Road, Pomfret, Port Tobacco Village, Marbury, Dentsville, Port Tobacco, White Plains, Ironsides, Ripley, Brisson, Belle Alton, Nanjemoy, Pisgah, Welcome and Faulkner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official